Wish you all a very good day, my dear children. Now today we are going to discuss grade 7, unit 3, mathematical operations. What are mathematical operations? Mathematical operations are what we do in mathematics. What are the things that we do in mathematics? They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Alright, now what are we going to learn about these things? Let's see. Now look at these two. 3 minus 1 plus 2. Then when we write something, we usually write from left to right. Then when we simplify mathematical operations, also we can do the same thing. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. In here, 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Right, we can simplify like this. And now let's consider multiplication and division. Here you are. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 times 2. That is 10. 10 division 5. That is 2. Here you are. 10 division 5 multiplication 2. 10 when you divide by 5, it becomes 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Again, 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. That is the way from left to right. Now, look at this. Right? If we do the simplification as we did in the earlier one, from left to right, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. But if we do it in the other way around, what will happen? 2 plus, if we do the multiplication first, 3 times 5 is 15. Then it will be 70. Right? Out of these two, which answer is correct? One is correct, the other one is wrong. Okay, now let's see these mathematical operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now addition and subtraction both are like this. Here, look at my hand. This side, this is one side and this is the other side of the same hand. Same thing but the two different sides. Likewise in here, addition and subtraction are same thing. Like the two sides of the same coin. Same thing. Now if somebody gets onto a chair and gets down the chair, getting on is plus, getting down is minus. Like that they are the two opposite directions of the same thing. Same family. Two members of the same family, addition, subtraction. Then multiplication and division. They also are two members of the same family. Now there are two families in here. What are the two families? Multiplication, division family, addition, subtraction family. Two families. Out of these two families, which family has to be given priority? Which family we have to simplify first? Now let's take an example like this from our history. The king's royal family is there and the family of an ordinary man. Which family is given priority? King's family should be given the first place. In here, this family, multiplication and division family, must be given the first place. It's a VIP family. First place should be given. This is the ordinary man's family. Now this one has both families. Addition family, subtraction family, one member and another member from the other family. Now this family has to be given priority. So multiplication has to be done first. Okay, 3 times 5, that is 15. 2 plus 15. Right? The simplification has to be done first. How much is that? That is 70. Right? In that manner, if the multiplication division runs, then you have to give them priority. First you have to do. Then after that, do the other ones. Right? Then let's take another example where all these are included several times. Now look at this one. This one has addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, again division, so many. Now let's sort out the ones that belong to the multiplication division family. Here you are. This one, again this one, they belong to the multiplication division family. But in here, in the same line, without break multiplication and division. Two members of the same family. Then what can you do? They both have the same value. Therefore, do it from left to right. Members of the same family. No? Right. 2 plus 3 times 4, 12. Division 2 minus 6 division 3, 2. Now again, division has to be solved. 2 plus 12 divided by 2, 6. Minus 2. Then 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 2, again 6. Like this. When there are so many signs are there, then sort out the ones which belong to this family, simplify them first, then go to the other family, then simplify them next. From left to right, get the final answer. Okay. Then we are going to step into another very important symbol. Brackets. The most important one. Here you are, like this. That is another sign. But it is not a mathematical operation. It's a sign. Then multiplication and division are there. Subtraction and addition are there. Then we get 3 families. Now which one is the most important one? That is the bracket. If there is a bracket, first of all, that is the king's family. The royal family is the bracket. It has to be given the first priority. And this is the next one. Right? And the last one and the least one means this one. First priority, next one and the least, last one. Right. Now, we will take an example that includes these ones. Now, in here, 2 plus 3, multiplication 5. Addition family, multiplication family. 2 families are there. Then what can we do? You have to solve this one first. 2 plus 15, that is 17. But in here, same thing. 2 plus 3 multiplication 5. But 2 plus 3 is put within brackets. That is the royal family. You have to simplify the bracket first. Before anything else, do what is inside the bracket. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, what is the purpose of this bracket? It gives us, the brackets give us an order. It gives us an order to do add these two numbers first. Now we have done it. Thereafter, after doing it, there is no need of putting the bracket. Now we have carried out the order. Then this is 5, multiplication 5 equals 25. It's like that. Now I will put few questions that includes all these ones. Then we can wind up. This one. The addition, subtraction family is there, division family is there. But the royal family, bracket is there. First of all, simplify the bracket. 8 minus 2, that is 6. 6 division 3 equals 2. In here, multiplication is there, but addition has to be done first. Then 3 multiplied by 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. That is 21. Look at this one. It is a bit problematic because there is no sign. What to do? We don't know whether we have to divide or multiply or add or subtract. There is no sign. If there is no sign, then what can we do? Always remember, if there is no sign between a number and after the number comes the bracket. If there is no sign, then put multiplication, because even though the sign is not there, we have to do multiplication. Right? Number and bracket, no sign in between, that is multiplication. Number and bracket, no sign in between, that is multiplication. Always remember this. Here you are. In here also there is a multiplication sign. Then 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. Now I will put another 2 questions. Look at this one. Here, there is a bracket. And there is no sign. Now you know, my dear children, that if there is no sign, you have to put multiplication. But the royal family is there. First of all, you have to simplify the bracket. 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 is 8. Minus 10 division 5 plus 1. Right. Now the bracket is gone. Then what else is there? Division and multiplication, the next family. Now you have to simplify them. Simplify these ones. 2 times 8 is 60 minus 10 division 5, 2 plus 1. Right. Now only one family, the least one. Then from left to right you can do the simplification 16 minus 2 is 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15. Right in here. In here also, there is no sign in between the bracket and the number, then that is multiplication. But there are two members that belong to the royal family. That means two brackets are there. Simplify the two brackets like this. 2 multiplied by this one, 10 minus 2, that is 8. Division 4 minus, simplify this bracket, 2. Then these ones, multiplication and division family. The second priority, 2 times 8 is 16. 16 division 4 minus 2. 16 division 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Right. Like this you can get the answer. Now, I think all the necessary things I have nicely given you. I think you got it well. And if you are happy about the lesson, if you learned something, then my dear children, share it so that your friends also can see. And be kind enough to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when we put the next video. That's all for the day. Wish you good luck.